Hey guys, Rich Bassini here, YouTube vlog creator. Today I want to talk about two topics: outlier videos and evergreen videos. Yes, believe it or not, evergreen videos can still make money for you and also gain subscribers, and I'm going to show that to you in a little bit. And the other thing I want to talk about is outlier videos. What are they? What's it all about? That's coming up, so stick around. But before we get started, I just want to say if this is the first time hitting my YouTube channel, welcome. And for all those who recently subscribed to my channel, it is greatly appreciated. I hope you like the content, you come back for more. And this video is being created with Filmora 14. Alright, so let's get right to it. Look at over here. On YouTube, an outlier video is one that performs exceptionally well compared to the channel's typical results, often receiving significant more views or engagement than usual. Okay, and then it goes on to here's a more detailed explanation. You guys can read all the stuff. The stuff I'm going to show you here, you can read all the stuff at your own leisure. You get definition, examples, significance, tools, and relevance. Okay, so we're not getting into that there. So anyway, let's go to my channel. Okay, so I was scrolling down here. You know, I mean, I know it's there. I mean, I've seen these before, but I never really like dug into what are they. I mean, I know it says outlier, but I came across it over here, and these are my popular videos. Okay, now if you look at this here, this one here, the Microsoft with mouse USB receiver, it received 81,000 views 8 years ago. All right, now mind you, you're looking at these things, you can say, well, that was years ago. You know, you got sure you're gonna probably accumulate them, but it took a lot of eyes to see that they're right. 80,000 views for something like this. Very basic video. My memory serves right. It's only 5 minutes long, right? I think it says it on here. Oh yeah, 5 minutes. There it is. I had to move my mouse cursor here. And then the other ones as well. 12 minutes and 6 minutes or whatever. But if you look at the views, 81,000, 60,000, you know, and that was 8 years ago. This is 7 years ago, 8 years ago, and so on and so forth. Then you click the little arrow over here, you'll see they have more outlier ones. My computer's a little delayed there. Sorry about that. But you can see. Now, let me just explain something with these particular outlier videos. I'm a seller on eBay. I've been a seller now with them since 1999. Was it 26 years now? And what happened was, when I found out, because I started my YouTube channel back in 2013, and when I found out about this here, that eBay was allowing you to embed videos in with your eBay listings, I said this is a great way to put in. So you could see a lot of these outlier videos: Panasonic, LaserJet, Sony Dream Machine. These were demo videos, sneak peek videos, but these were items that were sold on eBay, and these are long gone, of course. So that's why you see these here. Now, apparently, people who see this will say, you know what? You don't have to do so much research and worry about doing this, that, and the other thing. You know, as far as like trying to come up and conjure with, you know, new content and create, you know, content for your YouTube channel. Just do videos like this. But I kind of like, you know, put that on the back burner for now with the eBay stuff, eBay listings, you know, for the demo videos. And I said, let me focus more on, you know, creating a YouTube channel and try to share my experiences being on this platform for a number of years and pushing over 2,000 videos, which again doesn't make me a YouTube guru, by the way. Yeah, right. But I mean, I love making videos and I like sharing information with you guys. And you know, in case you're wondering, I do videos like this, not the demo videos, but I will be doing more videos like this to help new content creators out there. And the most important thing is that you guys, when you do view my videos, that you do get a takeaway from it. That's the most important. That means a lot to me as a YouTube creator. So I hope you guys get a takeaway from it. All right. Anyway, so let's go with one of them here. I'm gonna go with the first one over here. All right. This came out 8 years ago. All right. So when you click it on, I'm not gonna play the video clip. All right. So just pause it, and you can see here it's just me. You know, starting off. I was much younger then. I'm a little older now, but this is what it's all about. Okay, so this video, like I said, got 81,000 views 8 years ago, right? And to be truthfully honest with you, this came out December 13th. No, December 3rd, I think it was. Where is it here? Oh, yeah, December 3rd, 2016. 2016, this video came out. All right, so it got a lot of views, and I was very happy with that. Now, this is an outlier video. I call it an outlier video, but it's also one of the videos that if I look over here at the Channelytics, it's also over here one of the top content in this period. Now, when I was telling you this video, not only is it an outlier video, it's also an evergreen video, okay? Because like I said, again, you've seen the date. It was done 8 years ago. This video, to this day, got 299 views. And how do I know? When you click it on, right? You click it on here. Here it is. In the last 28 days. And with this video, I gained 1 subscriber. Now, mind you, please, I am a small YouTuber. I have under 2,000 subscribers. I'm trying to hit that 2,000 mark. I don't know if I'll ever get to it, but I'm trying. So my estimated revenue here is 74 cents, but again, I gained 1 subscriber from it. Remember, this is a video that was 8 years ago. Okay, so evergreen videos do generate subscribers in some cases and some revenue. Not a lot of revenue, but a little. So they still make money for you. Now that's just one of many videos I have. Okay. Now if we go over here, all right, this is the one I showed you. Now we don't have to keep looking at this one here. But if we go back now and we talk about the outlier, we're going to talk about the outlier videos. All right. I showed you that already. So this is what the ChatGPT, for those who follow me, you probably heard me say this many times over. I love ChatGPT, and I type information in there, and I want to get the feedback and see what it's all about. Now, some people may beg the difference, say, "Well, ChatGPT, you really can't go by it." But you know what, folks? With all kidding aside, I think I've gotten a lot of good information from ChatGPT, and I'm not probably the only one that uses it. I'm sure there's a lot of other people that use it. I can't speak for everybody, but I can speak definitely for myself. I like it. I've been, like I said, been using it for a number of time, for a number of months now, and I think it's been a lot helpful to me when it comes to getting information. Anyway, so I typed over here, ChatGPT. I wrote over here, what does outlier score mean on YouTube? And it goes on to say here, on YouTube, an outlier score typically refers to a metric used in YouTube analytics or third-party tools to identify videos that perform significantly different, either much better or much worse compared to your usual content. I know it's not a lot to read, but you guys, like I said, I don't want to keep this video super long. You could pause the video and you could read the rest of this here, okay? So we covered the topic on an outlier video. I'm not, like I said again, there's not really much to talk about, but I just, in case you guys come across it, and what is this outlier stuff or whatever, this is what it's all about. Now, in regards to the video I just showed you, that is an outlier video, and it's also an evergreen video. So now I typed in over here again with with ChatGPT. Sometimes you could do a Google search on it as well. I use Google too a lot. So anyway, ChatGPT says this here. Right, let me move this up a little here. And yeah, I scrolled down, I'm sorry. It says over here, this is what I'm typing in. What are evergreen videos on YouTube, and do they still make you money and gain subscribers? Okay. And this is what they said. Evergreen videos on YouTube are videos that remain relevant and continue to attract views over a long period, often months or even years after being uploaded. Unlike trending content that fades quickly, evergreen videos address topics that people consistently search for. Now, this is a little much to read. Like I said again, I'm going to just scroll down here, and you guys could pause the video. You could pause if you choose to do so and read more into this here. So I'm just going to do a mouse scroll over here where it ends. It's not that much, but I'd rather you guys read it. I don't care to read it too much, but anyway, this way I'll give you a little idea of what it's all about. Okay, so this is what it's all about right here. You could read it, and hopefully you'll get some takeaway from it, okay? But this is what I want to talk about. I know the video is quick. I'm talking fast like that because I know you guys are busy and I don't want to take too much of your time. But that's what it's all about, folks, okay? So if you're wondering what's the difference between an evergreen video and an outlier video, now you have a basic idea of it. I don't know if there's going to get more involved. There are other people that might talk about it, might get more intense with it, but I try to keep it as brief as possible and easy and understandable, where you could just, you don't have to, it's not rocket science to figure it out, so to speak. So that's what I have for you right now, guys. And I gotta say this, for those of you out there who are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or those already who have an established YouTube channel, I'm wishing you guys all the best of luck, the best of success. Go out there, make those videos, share your talents and passions with people around the world, because they're going to want to know, they're going to want to not only know what you're all about, they're going to want to see your videos. And how I know this is because they're watching my videos, and if they're watching mine, they're definitely going to watch yours, okay? And the one thing I want to share with you guys really quick here, I seen this, I'm sorry, I'm just going to go back to this here. Let me go back over here to my analytics here. I want to go to my home page over here, and I wanted to share this with you. It says over here, auto dubbing. Now this is on my channel, this is my channel content page. It says auto dubbing is now enabled on your channel. The audio on new videos will be automatically translated into languages to make your content more accessible. You could always adjust your settings, okay? And then over here it's got manage your settings, and you could dismiss over here. But this is what came up on my channel content, and I thought I would share it with you guys. All right, so that's all I have for you guys right now. I just want to say thank you for checking out my video, even though it's short and brief. I hope you got a little takeaway from it, and if you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated to when I post out new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Bassini signing off. I will talk to you guys the next time. Take care, and bye-bye for now.